Look at the difference. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to be testing out my first ever lace frontal wig. I've seen so many videos on YouTube about wigs from Amazon, so I thought what better way to get a wig from Amazon and test it out myself, because I've seen some hits and I've seen some miss. I thought I really wanted a blonde wig. Like when I dyed my hair, it was lighter than this but I dyed it darker. I really wanted to be blonde with a few dark roots, but I chickened out and I just went a little bit. I had highlights in the beginning, then I just went over it. So I thought, I'm not going to dye my hair anymore, I'm just going to buy wigs. Well, that's a better way to do it, and I can change my hairstyle whenever I want. So the wig that I got today from Amazon is this lovely wig. So it's got blonde at the bottom and then it's got dark roots, and it's a lace frontal. This is what it looks like inside. It's got clips. So I'm gonna style this today, and I love it because it is wavy, and this is like how I like wearing my hair at the moment, and it is like kind of my hair length, just a little bit shorter. So I thought, let's give this a go. So this wig is from Amazon and I paid $33.99 for it. I did have Prime and it came the next day. It is the Sylvia Ombre blonde synthetic lace wig with dark roots, and it is heat resistant. So I'll put the link at the bottom so that you can purchase this wig if you want to. So just for now I'm going to leave the parting how it is because I can't find my tweezers anywhere, so I'm just gonna like play with it today, like just to see like how it actually fits and then how I'd wear it, and then I will tweezer the hairline maybe. But this is what the hairline looks like. What I'm gonna do is that I'm going to get my scissors and I'm just gonna cut the lace off. Make sure all the hair's back. Now I've cut the lace off. I didn't want to get too close because it's the first time I've ever cut lace. So I probably will have to go over it again when I do this wig next time. But for now, we're just playing around with it and seeing what I like. And I don't have all the got-to-be products, so I will be purchasing them tomorrow, and then I'll probably do like an updated wig video of like how I finalised my wig if I did have to like pluck all the hairs out. So what we're going to do is going to pull my hair back and put it up. I'm going to get a hairband. I'm going to get my brush and we're going to try and get it smoothed down as flat as possible. And I'm going to wear it as low as possible I can on my neckline. And then with my hair I'm going to put it up, so it's like that. Then I'm going to get a bobby pin. Okay, just put one here. And it's got dark roots. I'm not going to wear a wig cap today. I'll probably wear a wig cap another day. I'm not really a huge fan of them. Like, I'm just testing this wig out, I'm not going out the house with it. And then with another bobby pin, I'm just going to flatten the back bit of my hair. So with my brush, I'm just going to get my little baby hairs. So I do want these out. And my baby hairs are quite dark because my colour is not there anymore. So it's just my natural hair. I do want all my little baby hairs out. So we're going to get the back of the wig. I'm just going to flip our wig over. Wow. So now you've got to adjust the wig to where you want it. Okay. So I'm going to get... I look like Marilyn Monroe right now. So I'm going to get my clip and push it out of the way so I can see my hairline. And that's where my hairline was. I'm gonna move it back to the middle. This is not gonna work being that way. I'm probably gonna try and move my hair over on like a different part. Nice. That's how I'd have my parting. So let's try and do that parting. So I'm gonna get my brush, my two-tone brush. As is as a lace front, you can change the parting, which is great. We're not going to be gluing it down today just because I'm just practicing of how it is. I'm going to try and pin this section back so I can just work on this side and try and get my baby hairs. Okay, not baby hairs. If you get your baby hairs, it kind of makes it look a bit more real. Okay. I saw a thing about if you want to take the shine away from a wig so it makes it look more natural, then get some dry shampoo. So I'm taking my Batiste dry shampoo. Just do one. Look at the difference. Okay, yeah, that works. Look at the difference. So make sure you do like every section. We should do this like before this runs out. Just take that out. Don't worry, that's gonna go. Apparently it's meant to like take all the shine away. I'm taking my brush and I'm just gonna not make those roots grey. I brush in the dry shampoo. Oh my god, I actually am loving life right now. It's actually, it doesn't actually look like it's a wig right now with that shampoo trick. So I'm just gonna brush it out. A lot of people say brush out the dry shampoo, but I'm just gonna run my fingers through it because I don't want to like just end up brushing the whole product away. I'd rather let it just sit there for a bit still. I'm actually obsessed. This is so nice. Ah, you would not think, because I've got my baby hairs there, you would not think at all. So I hope you like this really quick video, because like I'm just showing, like I just couldn't wait to do a video of like unboxing this wig and just trying it on. So I thought I'll do a video of like you trying it on with me, and then maybe we'll like do another video of like actually slaying it, where you get the products and like stick it down. But I think that dry shampoo one did wonders. Like it actually took off the bright brassy yellow tone and like gave it more like a subtle beige colour. And I do like the fact that with my baby hairs out you can't really see the lace. Yeah, this Amazon wig, thumbs up. I actually really love it. Maybe I should do like a really big Amazon wig haul, because I'm really feeling a burgundy wig, like a burgundy, like yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram because now I've got my light ring. Those eyeshadow looks are coming.